Hey everyone! If you're struggling to see results with 16/8 fasting, it might be due to a common mistake. The 2025 Cell Metabolism study on 10,000 fasters has revealed that the wrong fiber timing can absolutely ruin your fasting success. But don't worry, I've got 3 game-changing fiber hacks straight from MIT that will turn your fasting routine into a fat-burning machine. First, let's talk about, according to a 2025 Cambridge discovery, taking 15 grams of chia seeds before fasting can increase the PYY satiety hormone by a whopping 213%. This is the hydration bomb recipe: mix chia, konjac root and psyllium. A nurse shared her story, saying this eliminated her 2 p.m. crash during 12-hour shifts. Amazing, right? Next up is, the Salk Institute found that having fiber snacks between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. boosts butyrate by 37%. This feeds time-sensitive gut bacteria like Akkermansia. A simple combo of apple-pectin and flax can create an 8-hour delayed fermentation effect, supercharge your gut health and maintain energy levels. Finally, we have, a 2025 MIT trial showed that consuming 25 grams of acacia fiber after fasting can reduce next-day cravings by 58%. It also helps bind bile acids, reducing cholesterol. Dr. Rachel Kim, a circadian biologist, says, your fasting window isn't empty, it's primed for strategic fiber engineering. Fascinating stuff. Now the exciting part, fiber timing calculator, personalize your snack schedules, circadian-aligned recipes, a fasting microbiome test kit, smash that subscribe button, calculator, MIT meal plans, Stanford fasting charts, turn your fasting frustration into fat loss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Catch you later.